Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message off one of my videos, how to save a preset envelope shape. So we're going to grab the envelope, we're going to grab the straight line mode, and I'm going to hold down the control button, and it's going to move the bottom and the top node. And we're going to make a arrow type shape. So I'm going to go to the envelope tool and hit press, plus, and I'm going to call it arrow. Hit save. Now we can take this text. Now for some reason it does it smaller, but it is still the same shape as the one before. It's just not as big. I'm going to do a little research and figure out why that is. This is pretty cool. It looks like it's actually going around a corner. So that's how you could save a shape, is just by hitting plus, and it's going to add whatever you call it. And then when you press save, it's going to be in your presets. Hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.